Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best winding machines available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 4 we have LoveinDIY Winding Machine. This hand winding machine adopts geared transmission, a pointer or electronic counting. It can be used for manual winding of a variety of small coil and winding various coils tape. It is made of heavy-duty iron, steel and plastic material, durable and long time to use. This handheld winding machine is dual-purpose manually winding of coil. When manual winding, the operator controls the coil winder with a hand crank on the right side of the machine. This dual-purpose manual coil winding machine hand counting winder counter with 0.6 to 13 mm chuck. At number 3 we have GOWE winding machine. This series of automatic hand winding machine adopts the gear transmission, a pointer or electronic counter, mechanical control automatic line. It can be used for all kinds of winding circle numberless and the need for automatic arranging small coil. At number 2 we have GOWE winding machine. This coil around the maximum diameter of 150 mm. This hand winding machine adopts gear transmission, a pointer or electronic counting. It can be used for manual winding of a variety of small coil and winding various coils tape. At number 1 we have GOWE winding machine. This series of automatic filament winder computer controller adopts the latest synchronous winding. It is with high precision and there will be no obstacles appear when an excessive speed winding displacement process. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best winding machines for your need.